So kamayada bahusyam prajaya idi. So kamayada. God, there was a desire in the mind. Then what? Bahusyam, let me be many. Then the whole creation has come about. The whole creation has come about just by the desire of the thought, just by a desire in the mind of Hiranyagarbha or the Lord. Then the whole world has come about. And time and space were created. Therefore, before the time and space were created, and all the objects in the forms of, all the objects which is nothing but names and forms, all this before it was created, where it was? It was with the Lord. So this Viksheva Shakti of the Lord is the material cause. Therefore, is the creation separate from the Creator? Is the material which has come from the Creator, is it separate from the Maker? Like, yatha unanabhihi srijite grinnadecha. Unanabhi means spider. From the ceiling, the spider just coming down. It has created what? A web. And it just lands. When it lands on the floor, from where this has come? From its own body it has taken the material for creating the web. And it again, what? Takes it back. The material for the web, it has taken it back. And that was created. Therefore, there is what? The material is not something outside of the spider. So too, the material for the dream world is not outside of you. So too, the material for this creation in the form of time, space, forms are in the Lord. You can call it as Shakti. And we will have an expression. The whole thing is, we have an expression. There is Shiva and Shakti Sanyoga, we say. Shiva Shakti Sanyoga. The consciousness and energy, the Sanyoga. But energy is in consciousness, but consciousness is free from energy. For that energy, we give a form called Shakti. Because the Namarupa in movement, the Namarupa which has got a function, when it is in movement, that is what we call energy, nothing else. Therefore you see, Artha Narishwara Sankalpa you will see. That is connected to it's a different analysis we need. But here we will stand by this statement will stay with that there is Shiva, Shakti, Sanyoga. There is a maker and the material. And the maker and material, it is in one. There is what? Vivarta upadana karanattvena. That means what? Without undergoing any change, he has become. The conscious being, when I throw up a dream world, without undergoing any change in me, I have thrown up my own dream world. So too, the Lord, without undergoing any change, has created everything. He was holding that Shakti in the form of that Shakti which includes all Kala, Desha, objects, everything, it was there. Therefore, that he was holding it, but at the same time he was untouched by it. He or she, it's all one. Please don't think that Lord is male by using it. We have got linguistic limitations. You cannot use a neutral gender over there, nor a feminine gender, or nor a masculine gender. Therefore, Lord, what? Vivarta upadana karanattvena. That means what? Without like you have a ton of gold. And there are thousands of bangles, bracelets, chains, everything you created within this 1 million ton of gold. Then in every chain, every bracelet, every amulet, everything, what is there? What is there is only gold. So gold, like the gold, without undergoing any change, has become so many bracelets, has become so many chains, has become so many bangles. All these ornaments what is there is only one gold. You can count what you count. When you start counting what you count only rupa. But what is there is nothing but gold. Like clay becoming thousands of pots. But when you start counting pots, there are many pots. But on the standpoint of clay, there is only one clay. One clay expressing in many forms. But each pot has got a function. Forms you cannot negate because it has got a function. Because it has a function, we say it has got an empirical order of reality. So too, all this creation, which is there, which is intelligently put together, God, what? Without undergoing a change, He has become many. Therefore, Mastani Sarva Bhutani, all this creation, the names and forms, Bhagavan is making this statement, it is in me. But simultaneously He said, Nacha Mastani Bhutani, it is not in me. Gold can say, all these ornaments are in me, but I am not in any one of them. The chain is me, but I am not the chain. The bangle is me, but I am not it. That means what? The Karya Prapancha cannot survive without Karana Prapancha, but Karana Prapancha is free from Karya Prapancha. Suppose you are conscious, I am conscious, I am sitting here, there was a thought in me. I am not the thought. Thought is in consciousness, but consciousness is free from thought. Every thought is in consciousness. Every thought which has got a form is illumined in consciousness, but consciousness is free from all the thoughts. It is Nitya Shuddham, Nirmuktam, Nirmalam. So too, the whole Karya Prapancha, where time, space, names, forms, functions, everything is there. But all this Karya Prapancha is in me, but I am not in any one of them. I am Nitya Shuddham. Bhagavan can say.